Hello everyone, Anushree here. Thanks once again for stopping by on my channel. Today I would be teaching you how to make these napkin fold cards. They're used in almost all scrapbooks and albums and also known as scrapbook cards. They do add a lot of fun to these interactive scrapbooks. I'll teach you step by step how to make these. For that, stay with me, watch the video till the end. So let's start. We need 3 sheets. This red one is compulsory. You have to take a base card in any color. The other two pattern papers are optional. I'll keep writing the dimensions here so that no confusion about the dimensions of the paper appear. So this is a 8 by 8 inches square sheet. I'll start folding it into half. You fold the paper into half from both the sides and then you fold diagonally also from both the sides again. I'll not rush the video since these folds are very important to understand. Now we need to fold to the center from both the sides, right and left. Crease everything neatly and nicely. This will help in opening the card easily later. So you can see the same procedure is done from all the sides. Now if you can see, there are 16 2 by 2 squares with 2 diagonal lines on the paper. Now you can start folding from that 2 by 2. Start from any of the sides you feel and then fold. If you're folding from the right hand side, fold from the top. You will see some extra paper which is coming out, so that needs to be folded inside. I call that extra paper hut style paper. So you can see how that hut style comes out and then you will get this design there. You have to repeat the process again and you will again get a triangle extra paper which you need to fold inside easily. I have seen some videos on YouTube where people just keep showing what is happening without actually telling the dimensions or what is exactly happening. So I thought let me just speak about the process so that you can understand easily. So you can see I am doing it for all 4 sides. The same thing, the same hut style paper will appear from all 4 sides and you have to do the same thing for all sides. Once everything is done, this is how your that base paper will start look like. Now the paper which is coming out, you have to fold it into half. There a triangle will appear. This will help you in holding and opening easily. Once this is done, this will look like a 4 inches square, 4 by 4 inches. Now we'll take pattern paper. This process is completely optional. Again, I'll repeat that. This needs to be 3.75 inches square. Since we have to adhere this paper to a 4 inches square, so we need a little smaller size so that the movement is not restricted. You can stick it with any kind of clear glue. This portion is good enough to put a photograph or something. Now we'll fold all back and I will start covering these triangles. I have chosen a different color pattern paper. Now this is 3.75 into 1.75 rectangle, a little smaller than the 2 by 2 size. I'll cut it into 4 parts and I'll have these triangles. If you want, other than the pattern paper, you can choose any other color cardstock also or paper like black, blue, whatever. Cut it into triangles and just paste it. A different color gives it a neater look and it starts looking better. So you can see I am sure you have enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up if you have. I'll also place a picture inside to make it more interactive. The spaces you can use to write, all the dimensions are on the side. You can copy note. Subscribe the channel for more fun DIY videos. Press the bell icon to stay updated. I am sure you have enjoyed. So thanks again and bye bye.